Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started, and all times are Eastern Time. Okay, Sunday we're going to be watching an event, 10 p.m., no trade room. It's the Chinese Retail Sales Industrial Production Unemployment Report. Our first trade room is 11:30 p.m. in the evening for the Australia rate statement. Then we'll be back in the room at Tuesday in the morning at 8 o'clock for building permits, housing starts, and core CPI. And then 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction and 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. Wednesday at 3 a.m. there is a British report, CPI, PPI, RPI. We're not going to be in the trade room, but we will be watching that official event. Our first trade room Wednesday is at 10 a.m. for the crude oil inventory report. And then we'll be back in the trade room at 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC all-important statement. 5:45 p.m. we've got our eye on New Zealand's quarterly GDP. And at 8:30 p.m. Australia's employment report. No trade room, but that is an official event. Tuesday morning, we'll be up at 4 in the morning in the trade room for the French Flash Manufacturers Services PMI Family Money Trade Report. Also going to stay in the room for the German version of the same event. At 5:30, the British version takes place. No trade room for the British version. We'll be back in the room at 7:45 for the Bank of England official bank rate. We'll actually stay in the room for the unemployment claims Philly Fed. And then we'll be back at 9:15 for Flash Manufacturing Services, existing homes, and the natural gas storage report. That will actually finish our trade rooms for the week. Friday morning, we will be watching the Canada Core Retail Sales Report, but that has not moved the market enough to trade, so we'll just be keeping an eye on that report. That's it for this week. It's a reasonably busy week. Some important events. The French Flash and German Flash manufacturing reports are family money trades. The free YouTube stream of the week is building permits and housing starts Tuesday at 8 o'clock. And of course, the FOMC statement Wednesday will be in the trade room at 1:30 p.m. Hope you all having a great weekend, everyone. You know where I'll see you in the trade room.